Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to fix the DNS server not responding error on Windows 10 or 11.
Fix 1. Restart your router and PC. Step 1. Turn off your router and PC. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Then turn on the router. Step 3. Start your PC and check the connection. Fix 2. Flush DNS cache. Step 1. Press Win plus S. Type CMD and select Run as administrator. Step 2. Type ipconfig flush and press Enter. Step 3. Restart your browser and check the connection. Fix 3. Change DNS server. Step 1. Press Win plus S. Type Control Panel. Open it. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Step 3. Click your network properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. TCP IPv4 properties. Step 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter preferred 8 alternate 8 4. Step 5. Click OK and restart your browser.